Lesson. 4 bowls. 19, volume of spheres. 20, a worded problem with the volume of spheres. 21, I'm going to teach Pythagoras again. And then a worded problem with Pythagoras 22. So there's 4 lollies possible today for Tuesday. If you finish that early, go back and complete blank questions because I'm collecting these booklets for marking soon. So your formula, the first formula you need today is the formula for the volume of a sphere. You got the formula for the surface area of a sphere previous week, but we want to know how much space does a sphere take up in 3 dimensions. So the formula for that is 4 times by pi times by the radius, but the radius is cubed. And then you divide that answer by 3, and that's going to be however many cubic units your sphere takes up. So the only thing you need to think about, and I would argue that it doesn't require thinking unless you're blind or something, that the only thing you need to think about is the radius. You look at the sphere that you're finding the answer to, and you work out how long it is from the center to the edge. If the sphere tells you what the diameter is from one side to the other, what would you do to that 5.8 to work out what the radius is? You divide it by 2, okay? So let me demo. I always give you a freebie question here. Volume is equal to 4. I don't get to choose. That looks more like a plus. I'll fix that. 4 times by pi. I don't get to decide the 4 and the pi. I decided that for you because I'm better than you in this situation. Then radius was 4, and I'm cubing it. Divide it by 3. According to BEDMAS, what does B stand for? Brackets. There's no brackets there. What does E stand for in BEDMAS? Exponent. Exponent. So I need to deal with the 4 cubed first. So that's going to be 4 times pi times by 4 cubed. I don't know if that's top of my head. 16. I think it's 64. Over 3. You work that out on the calculator. 4 times pi times 64. And then you divide the answer by 3. That'll be in cubic meters. That's the end of that first lesson.